In this video, I'll show you how to create a client tracker in Monday.com. To begin, click the plus add button on the left sidebar. Hover over board, then select new board. Use the AI assistant to build your board. Click the text area and describe the board you want to build. For example, you can type client tracker or client board. Then click on create board at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds for the board to load. Once the board opens, organize the workflow into groups. For example, you could create groups for new leads, active clients, waiting for response, and completed projects. Next, add the columns needed to manage client information properly. Most client trackers use columns for client name, contact person, email, phone number, status, team member, and notes. To add your columns, go to the right side of your board using the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom and clicking the plus button. Then select the column you want to add from the list that appears. Now begin adding clients into the board as individual items. Each row should represent one client or account. To add new clients, you can click the last empty row and type their name or account, then press enter. Use status labels to track where each client currently stands in your workflow. For example, labels like contacted, proposal sent, active, or closed can help organize client stages clearly. Using a client tracker inside Monday.com helps businesses centralize communication and improve client management workflows. And that's how to create a client tracker in Monday.com.